Pokpok?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oo. Ay! Buhay siya!
Ayan,
Pero,
ayan.
Hi, I'm Chef MP from Cuisine for Rare. I'm the chef and the owner, and welcome to Cooking with Newbies. We have many episodes just as like this one, so don't miss any of them and by clicking on the subscribe button. On this episode, I'll be helping our cooking newbie, vlogger, Mommy Faith, cook.
Ginisang Monggo with pork.
Yes!
Hi, my name is Faith. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I love to bake and I also do vlogging. Say hi!
Hi! Are you excited?
Super excited and also nervous-sighted. Do you know what
nervous-sighted. Yeah, nervous-sighted.
Nervous-sighted is a word that my daughter taught me. Sabi niya, when you're nervous and excited at the same time, you're nervous-sighted, mom.
Sige, so
let's do this, chef.
Let's do this para mawala na yung ating nervous-excitement. So here are our ingredients for ginisang monggo with pork. Kailangan yung monggo natin, we soak it overnight. Kasi, unang-una, para mas madali siyang lutuin. Tapos, there are certain greens kasi, and then beans, na yung shell niya, or yung cover niya, yung exosperm na tinatawag. Some of them emit some toxic ingredients.
Wala siyang shortcut, chef. Kailangan talaga overnight.
Ideally kasi, to soak it overnight para mas mabilis. It reduces the cooking time. However, if you're pressed for time and you have a pressure cooker, yun, pwede mo siya i-pressure cooker.
Okay, we shall start. So,
Okay.
anong una natin gagawin, chef?
Dapat muna mag-mise en place tayo.
Mise en place.
Ibig sabihin nun, we prepare everything before we start cooking. Kasi pag nagsimula na tayo ng heat sa ating lutuan, tuloy-tuloy na. Hindi yung kasi parang, ay, may nakalimutan pala ako. O baka masunog ang niluluto. Ayun, okay. So for the pork, let's chop around 1/4 cup.
May specific way ba? Pag baka mali itong ginagawa ko.
Yun lang yung kamay mo. Just make sure that your nails are in, your fingers are in.
Talim.
Matalim siya, oo, kaya ingat.
Okay.
So I think half of this one is already okay. Actually, pwede mo pa siyang hatiin sa dalawa.
Itong pork belly may laban sa buhay.
May
ko.
laban.
Piprituhin ba natin ito, chef? Yung mga talsik-talsik ito, fireworks.
Well, kinda naman. Isosatay lang natin.
Okay.
Fireworks.
Hindi ko
Fireworks.
Hindi ko kaya ng fireworks.
Huwag ka mag-alala. Malaki-laki yung kitchen na iikutan natin. Tabi na natin.
Dito ko na lang lalagay.
Yes.
So I need to wash my hands.
Yes, please do. So we changed chopping boards kasi we will be slicing now the vegetables. Unahin na natin yung onion kasi onion muna.
Okay.
We just need around 2 tablespoons of onion. Ako kasi, ginagawa ko, baliktad siya. Or pwede mo siyang i-chop dito sa gilid para stable siya before you cut it into two.
Oh, okay. So,
Tanggalin mo lang yan. Yes. That's perfect. And then, tas ang tip ko rin, always have like a small basin or a receptacle handy para hindi ka punta ng punta doon sa basurahan. And then you cut it into two.
Dito sa gitna siya.
Yes, and then keep the end kasi that will hold the onion.
Okay lang ganunin ko na.
Ito naman.
Ay.
Treat it with kindness.
Okay, I love you.
Pwede rin naman. Pero
love
sige,
the onion.
medyo delikado yan.
Okay.
Yan.
Napansin ko, chef, nung pagka-cut natin, parang walang masyadong gumanon.
Oo,
Kasi usually, pag nagka-cut ako, tinatanggal ko na to.
Wag muna.
So, naluluharin ako.
Tapos may technique tayo sa pag-chop ng onions para mas mabilis at para hindi siya sabog. So the end, you keep it there.
Okay.
And then we will just chop it siguro or slice it 1, 2 or 3 times. And it's better to hold it like this. Ayan, galing.
Okay.
Yupi ka talaga? And then do it this way.
Nakakatakot siya, ha?
Bakit? Practice lang yan.
Okay.
And then, you will cut it this way.
Oh, nakikita ko na yung future niya.
Ayun. O diba? Tapos at least now, hindi sabog yung inaano mo, yung hinihiwa mo. There you go.
Yes.
Sige.
Okay.
Tabi na
I see
natin yan. And then
what's
next,
next?
1/2 tablespoon chopped garlic. We do it the traditional way. Pok-pok.
Pok-pok.
Yes. Yes. Pwede, carefully,
Okay.
you can put the knife over it.
Okay.
Pero wag pa ganun, ha? Pa ganun.
Sorry.
Ayan. O, sige.
Kasi
You
yung way ko sa kitchen, hindi daw pwede sabi ni chef. Kaya ganito ko kasi
Pwede
siya, chef.
naman. Sige, if you're comfortable, sige.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Natanggal ko siya.
Very good, ma'am.
So, mga ilang ganito, chef?
Kaya siguro dalawa kasi we just need half a
okay,
tablespoon.
So, okay na to.
Yes, okay na yan.
Sa house namin kasi, actually, taga-hiwa lang ako and usually gisaga niya. Yung husband ko talaga yung mahilig magluto.
Talaga?
Hiwain ko to siya.
Yes, hiwain mo siya.
Ginagaling
diba?
ako, chef, para sa inyo.
Huwag para sa akin.
Okay.
And then next, let's move on to the
How many tomatoes?
Sabi niya is
1 tablespoon chopped
tomatoes. And then normally, we seed the tomatoes.
The tomatoes.
So, ayan, sige, i-chop mo siya.
Chop.
Oo, parang same size ng ating onions. Yeah.
At least tumama ako sa tomatoes. So ito, chef, okay na tong
Okay na yan.
dami.
Oo, pwede mo na itabi yan. Drain na rin natin yung munggo para ready na siya.
Okay, drain.
So, ayan, sige.
Okay.
So, let's turn it on. Let's put it on medium heat. So, while heating it, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of oil.
Yes.
Ang 1 tablespoon is usually equivalent to isang ikot na ganon. 1, 2. Ayan, perfect. So, simulan natin siya sa sibuyas.
Ayan,
Pero, don't get scared.
Parang di ko yata kaya.
Let's
Hindi
just,
ko pag gisa-gisa marunong na ako magluto.
sa Filipino cooking, isa yan sa mga pinaka-importante yung paggigisa.
So what's next? Garlic? Okay.
Diba light brown na siya? Yes. Ayan. You can put the tomatoes. You can put in the meat.
Walang fireworks.
Oh, gentle lang siya.
You can handle
Yeah,
that.
you can handle that.
Masakit
na.
Pangarap ko magkaroon ng cooking show.
Talaga? Ako rin. Pangarap ko magkaroon ng cooking show. So, natupad na ang pangarap natin today.
Dreams do come true! Kailangan brown na siya lahat bago natin lalagay yung munggo natin.
Oo. Tapos, at this point, gusto ko na rin siya nilalagyan ng asin. Oo. Buhay siya! Gawin, half lang siguro kasi meron tayong secret ingredient.
Half, okay na.
Ayan, okay na yan. Sige, lagay mo na muna.
Ako siya pumuputo kanina.
Ganyan talaga kasi pagka water and oil nag-mix. Pwede mo na ilagay yung water natin.
Lagay na natin yung water. 1, 2, 3.
O, diba? So, let's wait for it to boil. It will take around 3 minutes. Yan, 3 to 4 minutes. Ayan,
Ayan, it's
perfect! Okay. And we're gonna put our secret ingredient, ang super sarap, flavorful at siksik na Nor pork cubes. Yes. This, for this dish, okay na yung isa lang. Kasi masarap na to.
Okay na yung isa.
Bango.
Galing mo, it really adds color dun sa niluluto natin. Kung naamoy niyo ang bango niya.
Sobra.
Kanin.
Kanin, no?
Kanin. Gusto mo
Pero sarap niya.
Yes, it's so flavorful. So,
Sige.
put it all here. So, do we have to cover?
Yes, cover it para mas mabilis siyang maluto. Tapos siguro this will take another 20 to 30 minutes dahil sinoke natin overnight yung ating munggo. Pero kung hindi naman siya na-soak, it will take longer.
Okay.
Ayan, Mommy Faith, ang bango-bango na niya. Tignan nga natin ano na itsura. Wow! Oh, see, do you see the, diba?
Yeah.
Kanina medyo maraming sabaw. Tignan muna natin yung malunggay para ready na.
Lahat to?
Siguro half lang. Let's see how it goes after putting
Okay na
half.
ba?
Yeah, I think so.
Cover.
Yan. Tapos,
And-
bawasan natin yung init. And then, let's wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. Pero ako, alam mo, kahit medyo hilaw yan, kasi mas masustansya o mas nutritious, hindi na naluluto lahat ng vitamins.
Yung daughter ko nakakatuwa kasi mahilig, kumakain siya talaga ng mga gulay.
Oh, that's
And ang sabi ko
good.
sa kanya, kasi diba yung mga kids, parang pag nakakita ng color green, parang, ganyan, turn off sila, diba?
Oo.
Pero sinasabi ko na lang sa daughter ko, sometimes, even if you don't like the taste,
Yes.
if it's good for you, if it's healthy for you, diba? Okay, so okay na siya.
Okay, tikman muna natin kung okay na.
Oo nga
Ayan, mukhang masarap. Oo, mukhang masarap siya.
Ako muna siya.
O, sige,
Or ikaw
tingnan
muna
mo.
siya.
Ikaw na muna. Luto mo yan. Pero feeling ko masarap to kasi yung pa lang with our Nor pork cubes, it's
na
very
amoy.
meaty and flavorful. Ang sarap! Hindi na kailangan lagyan ng alat.
No na, okay
It's
na siya.
perfect.
It's so perfect.
Masarap!
Malasa
Ang
siya.
sarap.
Malasa, no?
Kung magdadagdag ka, you can let it boil again for a while. Sige, so i-clear ko na dito para ready na tayo sa plating natin.
Let's do that. So, off na natin.
Pwede mo na siya i-off. Yan, very good. At saka mag-plating na tayo. Sarap. Ito parang good for 2 to 3 people. No?
Yes, parang sakto
Okay
na siya.
Sakto na siya isang guy.
Try
Let's try it
natin.
again. Oo, kasi nagdagdag tayo ng water. Tama-tama. Actually, better siya ngayon. Mas lighter, pero siksik pa rin sa lasa. Very flavorful, di ba?
Very meaty.
Very meaty. How do you find the experience?
Sobrang, ang dami kong natutunan, chef. I never expected na simple dish may elevate yung lasa. I'm not nervous-sighted anymore, just pure excited.
Ako rin, I'm not nervous-sighted anymore, but I'm hungry.
I'm
I
hungry.
need the rice.
White rice, white rice.
We hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you want to see and cook more easy recipes like this one, visit yummy.ph or hit the subscribe button on YouTube and find our best recipes online. So see you next time.
See you next time,
Yeah,
chef.
see
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
See you next time.